Hello everyone, this is Vinay Pathakumari. Today I am going to unbox my new MI Band 5 which I have ordered from mi.com, which cost of this band is 2500 rupees, that is 2499 rupees. Okay, here's the band. Keep the back inside. Here's my new MI Band 5. Here it was written that MI Smart Band 5 AMOLED color touchscreen and real-time heart rate monitoring, waterproof up to 50 meters, that is 5 atm water resistance, magnetic charging controls. Now I am using MI Band 4 and I am upgrading to Band 5. Here you can see the Indian variant packing. Okay, the actual MRP of the MI Band 5 is 2999, that is 3000 rupees. Now I will open this. And now you can see it. It is a magnetic charger of the MI Band. This is the magnetic charger which is provided with the band. Next itself, it's band itself with the strap attached to it. Then we got some paperwork. That's it. About the band, about the MiFit QR code for the MiFit app, and so on. Let's keep this paperwork aside and look the band itself. Yes, this is the band. Here we can connect the magnetic charger at the back of it, so that it will charge magnetically. Interface of the band has been changed. There are a lot of modes in this new band. There's a stress measurement and heart rate measurement. There are some breathing exercises and so on, and there are workouts. There are many workouts, and it also supports swimming. It shows you weather data, etc., and so on. And there is a, when we go to settings, extra settings, you can even control the camera shutter from here. Music is already there in the MI Band 4. It continues here. The extra features added from the MI Band 4 are breathing exercise and stress meter, PAI, and etc., and the magnetic charger. The strap, we don't have to remove the strap for charging because we are provided with a magnetic charger here, so there is no problem of removing the band from the strap like in MI Band 3 and 4. So overall the band interface looks cool